Okay, number 15. A sculpture comprises 3 cylindrical columns. Each column has a diameter of 1.2 meters, so a radius of 0.6 meters. The heights of the column are 3 meters, 4 meters, and 5 meters. The surface of the cylinders are to be painted. Calculate the area to be painted. The base each column sits on will not be painted, so that is important right there. So we'll do each of the cylinders here and then add them up. The height of the first one is 3 meters. Remember, the formula for surface area is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r, which is the circumference, times h. But notice the base is not getting painted, and these are both the circles, so we get rid of the 2, and it would just be pi r squared. So we've got pi times 0.6 times 0.6 plus 2 times pi times 0.6 times 3. Okay, so I'll do the first one first, and then we'll do the second one, and then we'll add them. So 0.6 times 0.6 times pi is equal to 1. We'll do 2 decimal places, 1.3, plus we've got 2 times pi times 0.6 times 3, and we get 11.31. So 2 times pi 3, 11.31, that's what I got. 11.31, and we add the 1.13, and we've got the first one then is 12.44. This is meters squared, so that's the first cylinder there. The second cylinder would again have a radius of 0.6, but then a height of 4. So again, the surface area formula is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h, but this is not a 2 because we're not painting the base, so we'd have pi times 0.6 times 0.6 plus 2 times pi times 0.6, and now the height is 4. So we're going to do this one first, then this one, and then add them. So we've got pi multiplied by 0.6 and 0.6, which is the same as it was before, 1.13. And then we add 2 times pi times 0.6 times 4, and we get 15.08. And then we add those, 1.13, and we get 16.21. This would be meters squared. And then the third one is the same formula, no 2, so it's pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. This is going to be the same because it's going to be 0.6 and 0.6 again, so I'm just going to put 1.13. This one will be very similar, except now this is 5, so we've got 2 times pi times 0.6 times 5. So we already know this is 1.13. We've done it twice already. 2 times pi times 0.6 times 5 is equal to 18.85. And we add the 18.85 plus 1.13 is equal to 19.98 meters squared. So now we're going to add all of these. So we've got 19.98 plus 16.21 plus 12.44. And we add those all together, and it adds up to 48.63, we're going to just round that up to 49 meters squared. So then you'd write a sentence saying the area to be painted would be, the surface area to be painted would be 49 meters squared. And that's the answer for number 15.